If you want to create a drop-down menu in Base44 quickly and without getting stuck in the technical details, this video is going to help. I'll show you how to use the AI chat panel inside your Base44 project to generate a drop-down menu, connect it to the right page, and let the platform handle the structure for you automatically. This is a great shortcut if you're building an app and want to add clean, functional UI elements faster. And if you find this tutorial useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Base44 project and go straight to the AI chat panel. This is where you can describe the feature you want in plain language, and Base44 will use AI to generate it for you. Once the chat panel is open, type a clear request for the drop-down menu you want to create. For example, you can say, add a drop-down menu for category or option to the page name page, with options A, B, and C. The more specific you are about the page name and the drop-down purpose, the better the result will be. After you enter the prompt, send it to the AI. Base44 will then process your request and automatically build the drop-down menu into your app structure. It will also link it to the correct page and organize the components so everything fits together properly. This is what makes Base44 so useful, because instead of manually creating each element, you can describe what you need and let the AI do the heavy lifting. Once the drop-down is generated, take a moment to review how it appears on the page. Check that the label looks right, the options are listed correctly, and the menu is placed where you want it. If needed, you can refine your prompt and ask Base44 to adjust the field name, change the options, or move it to a different page. For example, you could update the prompt to make the drop-down more specific to user input, form selection, or content filtering depending on your app. This step is important because even though the AI does a lot automatically, a quick review helps you make sure the final result matches your design and workflow. If everything looks good, save your changes and continue building the rest of your app. In just a few steps, you've created a drop-down menu in Base44 using the AI chat panel, and you've done it without manually wiring up the structure yourself. That means faster development, less guesswork, and a much smoother workflow when building your project. If this tutorial helped, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Base44 guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.